Whoa, let's stop the video right there just before we start. So I just wanted to say and jump in to say a massive thank you to all of you guys that have shown your support recently, because we have just hit 100 subscribers on the channel as of the day of videoing this, which is Friday the 22nd of January. So massive thank you to that. We've hit 100. Now all we need to do is drive to 1,000. So really well done, guys. Thank you for all your support. Honestly, I can't thank you enough. We have also just hit 200 followers on the RGM Performance Facebook page as well. So a massive thank you all around. We're hitting targets, we're hitting milestones. So let's keep driving, guys. Let's keep it all going. All right, let's jump back to the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome to the first real part of the Deep Clean mini restoration series. So today we're starting off with the interior. I hope you did like the cinematics to see how bad it really is that we're starting with. I have just disconnected the negative terminal on the battery, which is just a 10mm socket. That's to give us half an hour to let the capacitors drain on the airbags in the seats before we take the seats out. So we'll be doing that shortly, but first what I wanted to do is just go through our weapons of poison to see what we're going to be using today in the car. Now you will notice a bit of a theme about the products that I'm using, because I am a massive fan of this brand, but just to start with, we'll be using a Hetty Hoover to do all of the actual hoovering work. I have also got just a bog standard stiffish bristle upholstery brush. Couldn't think of the word then, just to give everything a deep scrub after we've hoovered, just to try and loosen up any more, so that we can then do a second hoover, which we'll be coming on to shortly. Then in terms of the actual cleaning side of it, we have Auto Finesse Total Interior Cleaner. It is a low foaming formula, I believe it is, but basically we're just going to spray it on, scrub it in, use a bit of a microfiber cloth and a bit of the brush just to get it going in deep. And then I have also got a Cupra wet vac to then pull everything out, which should then hopefully have the car looking mint. This does work on fabrics, carpets, vinyl, dashboards, so it will be getting used all over the car for the deep clean. Then coming on to the dashboard, we will be using Auto Finesse Spritz, which is an interior quick detailer. It will leave a satin finish, standard finish, but that will be used on all of the plastics, door cards, dashboard, basically anything plastic inside the car, and that will seal it all and protect it against UV as well, and should also make it easier to clean in the future. And then also the big, what shall we say, the big thing, the thing that I'm really looking forward to using, is the Auto Finesse Ceramics interior protection kit. So I will also be covering that in the video of how it works and how to use it. I have been watching a couple of videos on it, a couple of other YouTubers that have used it, and the results are fantastic. It's something that I've had sat in the shed for months that I've been wanting to use, and I'm finally getting the chance to use it. So let's get started, shall we? So guys, what we're going to start with, pull these floor mats out. I'm hoping you can see my hands and everything alright. I'm going to pull these floor mats out, front to back, give them a hoover first off, give them a scrub with that brush, and then we will total them, Auto Finesse Total with a scrub, and then wet vac to extract and let them dry. So let's crack on, shall we? So guys, down here you've got M10 spline there, M10 spline there, and you've got 2 at the back. Now I would do this with my GoPro on my head like what I did the mats, but for some reason it can't charge properly because it is dead. So I'm going to remove the seat. I believe somewhere under here is an airbag clip, but we'll find that in a minute. Once the seat's out, I'll catch up with you. So guys, she's out. Found all this, which seems to be like firm bits, a penny, bits of electrical stuff. Yeah, 4 M10 bolts, one there, one there, one there, and then one there, and then you've got 2 little plugs in here, airbag and something else, and it's out. So that is all good fun. Now we've got loads of space to work with at this side. I just need to take that side out, back bench out, see what's under there, because I'm guessing this has never ever been done. Like, look at that, all along there. So yeah, let's crack on. So guys, we've got the back bench out, lots of snipped tie wraps. God knows what the police was doing in here. The odd screw, goodie, plastic cap, bolt. Carpet's pretty good. Other than that, yeah, it's just a bit of a mess with stuff. I remember that from a job. Oh yeah, I found a number 3 candle as well under there. My daughter was 3 last July, so that's how long that's been under that seat, along with what looks like a yoghurt lid or something. So yeah, I think it's time to get the Hoover in here. Ugh. Seats are chilling out there. They're going to go in the house in a minute and go from there. So guys, that's the driver's seat. As you can see, there's quite a lot of wear marks on it. I'm going to have a little look into that, see if there's anything I can do. All the stains are now gone, except for this here, which I'm not sure what it is, but never go at getting it out when I've got the seats in the house later on. Obviously wiped down all the trims, but when you consider they came out of the car like this, and that's what's come out of the seat, just the driver's seat. Yeah, sometimes you just don't realise how dirty everything is. So I'll do this one now, get them in the house to dry, and then we'll crack on with the fun stuff, the carpet. So, quick run round with the Hoover. I don't think it's come up too bad. So, now I'm going to run round with the total on the carpets, all the lower trims that you can see that are covered in mud. Do all that as one, and the seats as well. So let's do that now. So guys, remember what it looked like before? That is it now, all nicely wet vacked on the driver's side. So the passenger side is still a little bit messy and everything else, but nevertheless we're getting somewhere. Hopefully once this all dries out tomorrow, we can get that Caramic's interior ceramic down, and we can also test it out as well. So let's crack on with the other side. I have no idea why the lighting's so bad in here, but there she is, barring the stain there. Obviously there's still a couple of bits in the carpet like that ingrained in, but yeah, got rid of all the mud, or the majority of. So what I'm planning on doing now is I'm going to start with the centre console. I'm going to wipe it all down again with a bit of Total. We are running kind of low on that. And then just to try it out, I can use the spritz to dress it. But I must admit, this Total, it does smell good. So I'll do this first. Just do the side, see how it looks. Yeah, and sort of just go from there, because don't know what you can tell, we're losing daylight now. So I'm just gonna get what I can done, and yeah, just sort of take it bit by bit and finish off tomorrow, because we've still got the glass to do. And when we get all this done, as I say, I know it's not 100%, I'd say it's 99.9% with it, but at the same time, it's a 10-year-old car, and it spent its first 9 years of its life as a police car. So, and the camera don't help, because it makes this look really bad when it isn't, it's just wet. So if I come around that way, look, it just makes things look bad. So hopefully when it dries out it'll look a lot better. But yeah, rather than waffling on, I will just crack on. So I'll get this side done, and let's actually, if I just jump here, that's a before. Let's see what it looks like with a bit of dressing on. So guys, we're at the end of day one. The interior has been fully stripped, hoovered, carpet cleaned, wet vacked out. Obviously the seats have been done. I've just done the first coat of ceramic coating on the mats, just seeing how they cure before doing the second coat in about 2.5 hours time now. Sorry the video hasn't really gone as planned in terms of structure, because the GoPro died, but it'll be fully charged and I will have that back on tomorrow, so that when we do the dash, the glass, and obviously the refitting of the car, shall we say, I will have the GoPro on for that, so the rest of the video will be continuing as normal. So hope you're enjoying it so far. If you are, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, then do go down and hit that subscribe button. As I said at the beginning of the video when interrupted, we have just hit 100 subscribers, so let's keep going, and I will catch you in the morning.